in front of Your Honor. We want Sheriff Arpaio.
All right.
Hey, what's up, Boston? Hey, Boston, thank you for that letter, man. Thank you. I highly appreciate your letter. I got it in the mail. 23 years, I grew up there. What?
Thank you. Please be seated.
They hold court right now?
This is the 2 a.m. calendar on November 20th, 2025. Orders are given on the first of the month regarding the taking
Did he
of
say
DNA
2
and fingerprints.
a.m.?
Those orders remain in effect today. What that means for you in the courtroom is this. Not every single one of you has to give your DNA or your fingerprints. If you have to do that, those orders will be on your paperwork. My name is Commissioner Beck. I'm here to do a few things for you. Number one, I'm here to let you know why you're here. Number two, if you might be released. Number three, if you're going to be assigned an attorney. The vast majority of you will be assigned an attorney, which leads to my number one rule. Please don't talk about the facts of your case. Anything you say or do can be used against you. Everything in the courtroom is video recorded. So please don't talk about the facts of your case unless it's with your attorney. Second, I'm sure you're going to have a lot of questions for me. Unfortunately, I'm not your legal counsel, so I can't answer legal questions for you. So please save those types of questions for your attorney. Finally, you're going to be hearing about lots of different dates and different types of release conditions. You don't have to memorize all that stuff. All that information is going to be on your paperwork. That's why it's important to keep your paperwork and save it. Don't lose it. If you end up missing a court date or you don't follow a written court order, you could just end up back here.
Damn, he's a cougher.
Here's how the morning's going to work. Actually, before that, when it comes to your release conditions, when I see you in the courtroom, I'm going to be telling you about some of your release conditions, not every single one of your release conditions. For a complete listing of all of your release conditions, please refer to your paperwork. Here's how the morning's going to work. I'm going to call two names. First name I call is going to come in the courtroom and stand in front of me at the podium. Second name I call is going to sit on that chair next to the door. Then we're going to keep on cycling through until the calendar is finished.
Zoom in for you guys. Hopefully you
Now
guys
I'm going to read the victim's rights advisement. If you're the victim of a crime with a case pending before this court, you're advised that you have rights under Arizona law that, among others, include the right to be treated with fairness, respect, and dignity, to a speedy trial, to be present in court proceedings.
Yeah, Johnny, initial appearance.
To choose whether or not to be interviewed by the defendant or the defense attorney, to be heard before the court makes the decision on release, negotiation of a plea, scheduling and sentencing, and to receive restitution from a person who's convicted of causing you loss. If you've not already been provided with a written statement of all victims' rights, please contact the Victim Services Division of the Prosecutor's Office.
Prosecutor's Office? No, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, please get Stefan Peterson to the podium. Kyle Blevins to the chair, please.
All right, let's see what kind of cases these individuals caught tonight. That's one place I wouldn't want to be right now, is in court at this time.
Name and date of birth, please.
What, okay?
Stefan Peterson, January 25th, 1984.
Thank you. Sir, you're here today on a Superior Court grand jury warrant. The grand jury's found probable cause to hold you on one count of burglary in the first degree, class 3 felony, 2 counts of aggravated assault, class 3 felony, 2 counts of obstruction of a criminal investigation, class 3 felony, 1 count of disorderly conduct, class 6 felony, 1 count of assisting a criminal street gang, class 6 felony. These were alleged to have occurred back on or about October 1st of 2024. I'm assigning counsel. Your next court date is November 26th in the downtown Superior Court. Because it's been alleged that you committed these offenses while you're out on release for another felony offense, you're going to be held non-bondable at this time. Well, please step to your left for your paperwork, sir.
Does he have shower shoes on? Oh, yeah, he has shower
Kyle
shoes.
Blevins to the podium. Gabriel Gaitan to the chair, please.
He ain't going nowhere.
Name and date of birth, please.
Kyle Blevins, 4/20/86.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for possession of dangerous drugs, class 4 felony, possession of a weapon by a prohibited person, class 4 felony, unlawful flight from law enforcement, class 5 felony, possession of drug paraphernalia, class 6 felony. I found probable cause and I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are November 26th and December 1st in the downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $50,000. If you're able to bond out, you'll be on pretrial services supervision with the electronic ankle monitoring. Furthermore, if you bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Please step to your left for your paperwork.
I don't think he's going anywhere.
Gabriel Gaitan to the podium. Jared
I wonder how
McMaster
many
to the
people are
chair,
going to be on
please.
Christmas. Hey, Just so you're aware, this court happens every single day. So even on Christmas,
Name and
New
date of
Year's,
birth, please.
Gable Gaitan, 22505.
every
Thank you.
single day
You're
of the
here
year.
today in the Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for burglary in the third degree, class 4 felony. This is alleged to have occurred back on May 25th of 2025. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are November 26th and December 1st in the downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $5,000. If you're able to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
You better
Most
call
important thing, if you bond out, you got to contact your PO within 3 days. Bond, please step to your left for your paperwork.
Hey, that's one place
Thank
that
you.
sucks. That being in the holidays, being in jail in the holidays is the worst. You know, especially. I mean, you're not around your
Jared,
loved ones.
Master to the podium.
You're around a bunch of people you don't even
Candida
like.
Silvas to the chair, please.
Is that for wearing
Name and
sandals?
date of birth, please.
Jared
socks?
McMaster, 0623-1996.
Thank you. You're here today in a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for burglary in the third degree, class 4 felony, possession of a weapon by a prohibited person, class 4 felony. I found
Oh, this
probable
fool's
cause,
cold.
and I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are November 26th and December 1st in the downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $5,000. If you're able to bond out, you'll be placed on pretrial services supervision
Christmas?
with the electronic ankle monitoring. Furthermore, if you bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, and you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Bond, please step to your left for your paperwork.
This guy definitely looks like he's not going to be doing good. I mean, wearing them
That's
sandals
call
and
warrant,
socks.
please.
Yeah, this might be his his first rodeo, if you will. What do you guys think? Did he put us on mute? Come on, Your Honor. Socks and sandals is mad. Where is this? Arizona? You already know. Yeah, Arizona, Maricopa County, Phoenix to be exact, if you will. This judge is boring, laughing out loud. Yeah, he's calling the warrant. Damn. I guess then you guys got me right now. So just so you guys are aware, I will be back tomorrow. I do have some time tomorrow, and then I'll probably be back on Friday. So I know I've been gone for a few days, so I'm gonna have to play catch up. We're gonna have to go ahead and do some of these. Should we do Polk County tomorrow? Who likes Polk? Polk County, Florida, if you will. Let me see. He's gonna be sliding around in them sandals. Hey, but in Maricopa, they're gonna take those sandals away. He's not gonna get processed with those. Shit. Let me see. Sometimes they only take the laces, but a 9 out of 10, they take your shoes. Yeah, for sure. I don't know. I know in LA County, when I started going there, you were not allowed to take shoes in. I think they stopped allowing shoes in like 97, 98. By the time I hit County 99, they didn't let you take shoes in. It was just a bunch of problems. Everybody's trying to rob you for your shoes. Can you do UK courts? I wish UK courts were open, but it seems like the US is the only place that holds courts like this that are open to the public. But I would love to. Canada, Australia, Europe, the UK,
Candida Silvas to the
Ireland,
podium. Frankie Almos to the chair, please.
Antarctica.
Name and date of birth, please.
Candida Silvas, 93 of 81.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for fraudulent schemes and artifices, a Class 2 felony, theft, a Class 4 felony. I found probable cause, and I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are November 26th and December 1st in the downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $2,000. If you're able to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness,
Somebody, Page.
and you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Please step to your left for your
Let's see what
paperwork.
we got here for the page.
Frankie
Timu.
Almos to the podium.
Influencer at
Joseph Lowndes to the chair,
USA.Timu.
please.
What the what? Damn, Timu wants to collaborate? That's what I'm talking about.
Name and date of birth, please.
Frankie All, 7/22/1983.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case and a Superior Court arrest warrant. Let me talk to you about your most recent case. You've been arrested for possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony. I found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney.
He's a big
Your
fella.
next court dates are November 26th and December 1st in the downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $500.
Are they open like this?
You also have a Superior Court arrest warrant. Probable cause was previously found for possession of a weapon by a
glucose
prohibited
levels.
person, Class 4 felony. This was alleged to have occurred back on April 4th of 2024. I'm assigning counsel. Your next court dates are the same, November
Australia.
26th and December 1st
Not
in the
Australia.
Downtown Superior
England.
Court, affirming the bond set by your judge, $500, so total $1,000. If you're able to bond out on both of your matters,
If
you're
you
not to
will.
possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
Shout out to the
Glenn,
958.
please step to your left for your paperwork.
Like viewable
Joseph
online.
Lowndes to the podium. Frankie Strange Ross to the chair, please.
Oh, that sucks.
Name and date of birth, please.
Joseph
California.
Brian Lowndes, 9187.
Thank you. You're here today on a failure to appear warrant. Not assigning you a new attorney. You're going to go back to your original attorney. Your next court date's November 25th in the Downtown Superior Court, affirming the bond set by your original judge. It's a $1,000 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you'll be placed on pretrial services supervision, and you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Why don't please step to your left for your paperwork.
I'm in love with the smoke weed
Frankie
every
Strange
day.
Ross to the podium. David Barton to the chair, please.
Hopefully. Hey, what's up? What up, Jelly? How's it going? Good morning.
Sorry.
No worries. Name and date of birth, please.
Frankie Strange Ross, 53186.
Thank you. You're here today on 2 probation violation warrants.
Welcome over,
I'm
Tony.
assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's going to be November 25th in the Downtown Superior Court. You have 2 secured appearance bonds. One of them is $150. The other one is $500. So total $650. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
He looks
Most
like
important thing,
Shaggy.
if you bond out, you got to contact your PO within 3 days. Why don't please step to your left for your
Hey, the
paperwork.
cop in the back, he looks like Sean Connery. The guy, look at
David
the cop.
Barton to the podium.
Does that fool not
Cobra
look like
Lena
Sean
McInnes to
Connery
the chair, please.
in The Rock? Oh, yeah, I'm the
Name and date of
lost.
birth, please.
David Boyd, 102488.
Thank you. You're here today on a probation violation warrant. I'm
Can't
assigning
see.
you an attorney. Your next court date's November 25th in the Downtown Superior Court,
Oh,
setting a secured
I
appearance
am
bond
the
of
lost.
$500. If you're able to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness. Not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most important thing, if you bond out, you got to contact your PO within 3 days.
He's younger than me.
Please step to your left for your paperwork.
Can you see now? Can you see me now?
Cobra Lena McInnes to the podium.
88?
Dwayne Billy to the chair, please.
Hey, I'm from 81. That fool looked like he was doing real bad. He's definitely not using moisturizing lotion.
Hi,
He's
name
not
and date of birth, please.
exfoliating his skin.
Covalina McInnes, 81774.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case
Can't
and 2
see her.
probation violation warrants. Let me talk to you about your new case. You've been arrested for possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony, possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. I'm not finding probable cause at this time on the narcotic drugs charge. I am finding probable cause on the drug paraphernalia. I need to warn you, though, that just because I don't find probable cause today doesn't mean that the prosecutor's office can't find
They
it
do,
at a later
Jose.
time. So I don't want you to think that it's necessarily going to go away forever. So for the one charge I have found probable cause, I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are November 26th and December 1st in the Downtown Superior Court, setting a placeholder bond of $50.
$50? Somebody want to bail
Once
her
I have
out?
2 probation violation warrants, I'm assigning counsel. Your next court date on both of those is November 25th in the Downtown Superior Court. Each one of those has a $150 secured appearance bond. So total, $350 secured appearance for all 3 of your
Oh,
cases.
never mind. It just went up.
If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most important thing, if you
Well,
bond
she
out,
can't,
you got to
right?
contact your PO within 3 days. Why don't please step to your left for your paperwork.
So this court right now, this is Maricopa County in the state of Arizona, the city of Phoenix. No, you can't do a bail bondsman well, normally you can't do it on that.
Dwayne
Bail
Billy to the
bondsman, they
podium.
want you to at least have $1,000 bail.
Darlene Valdez to the chair, please.
So on that one, she's probably gonna have to pay the full bond. But I don't see anybody bailing her out.
Name and date of birth, please.
Órale! Look at this vato.
Your name and your date of birth.
Dwayne Billy, 7688.
Thank you. You're here today on a municipal court new case. You've been arrested for shoplifting, a Class 1 misdemeanor, criminal trespass, a Class 3 misdemeanor. I found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's November 26th. That's at the Goodyear City Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $50. If you're able to bond out, you can't go back to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness. and you can't have any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Please step to your left for your paperwork, sir.
Órale, this vato got caught shoplifting. I
Darlene
wonder
Lopez
where.
Valdez to the
Was it
podium.
Circle K?
Anthony James to the chair, please.
Maybe Dollar Tree, Walmart, Target. The possibilities are endless. Vato was caught
Morning, Your
shoplifting.
Honor.
Morning, name and date of birth, please.
Darlene Priscilla Lopez Valdez, 7/22/79.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for burglary in the 3rd degree, Class 4 felony. I have found probable cause, and I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are December 4th and December 8th in the downtown Superior Court. Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you today. There's some conditions to your release.
Hey, what up,
You
Erica?
can't go back to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, and you're not to possess any weapons,
Bro, that's
drugs,
my
or
mom.
alcohol. Do you understand all these conditions?
I do have one question. What if scene of the crime is where I'm employed?
Yeah. You can't go.
Can't.
Are you? They kept you?
Arizona,
They're considering me back
Maricopa
until my
County.
case is done.
She ain't going nowhere. I guess you're gonna stay there with them. Phoenix, yep.
Hey, reprint, please.
Oh, is she gonna get a break? You guys think she's gonna get a break or what? What do you guys think? Hey, how many of you guys?
Okay, ma'am, I'm going to change that condition.
How many
All
of you
right,
guys
so
are real?
Your conditions
Who's
are
a bot?
no contact with any victim
And
or
who's
witness.
AI? That's
You're
what
not
I
to
want to
possess
know.
any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
Okay.
Do you understand all these conditions?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to follow all these conditions?
Absolutely.
Do you have any weapons you need to give up?
No, I do.
Do you promise to appear on December 4 and December 8 at the downtown Superior Court?
I'm real.
And do you understand if you don't show up, they'll issue a warrant for your arrest?
Yes, sir.
Upon the promise to appear, I'll be releasing you on our own recognizance. You're going to be getting new
real.
paperwork, so go ahead and have a seat, okay?
Thank you.
I
Have a good
that's
day.
right. Hey, plot twist. She's her own
Anthony
employer.
James to the podium. Rafael Gallegos Ruiz to the chair, please.
Damn, that fool has some long socks. That fool must be a down vato. You know what they say? The longer the socks, the downer the vato. Or so they say. I'm Rio in Arizona. All right.
Actually, Anthony James to the
You get bots in
podium.
here? Nah, I don't
Charles
know.
Williams to the chair, please.
I love a self-made queen. Edgar.
Officer, we
downer
have the
the
new
fool.
paperwork for, all right, name and date of birth, please.
Hey, we might be in simulation.
Jeremy Day 05.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for organized retail theft, a Class 4 felony.
Another
I
one.
found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are December 4th and December 8th at the downtown Superior Court. Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you today. There's some conditions to your release. You're going to be on supervised release.
Opie?
You can't go back to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victims or witnesses.
I would have
You're not
spit
to
water
possess
on him. I
any
would have had it
weapons,
in my
drugs, or
mouth.
alcohol. You can't enter any fry stores or their premises. Do you understand all these conditions?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to follow all these conditions?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any weapons you need to give up?
No.
Oh,
Promise
he's
to
getting
appear on
it out.
December 4 and December 8 at the downtown Superior Court.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand if you don't show up, they'll issue a warrant for you?
Yes, sir.
Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you to
I've
the
never been to
supervision of
Fry's.
pretrial services. Sir, it's your responsibility to call them. You're going to get an envelope. You have to call the number in that envelope. You have to call them during normal business hours. If you don't call them, you could end up back here. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork. Charles Williams to the podium. Rafael Gallegos Ruiz to the chair, please. Hi, would you please lower your hand? Thank you. Name and date of birth, please.
Charles Williams, 62193.
Thank you. Sir, you're here today on a Superior Court grand jury warrant. Grand jury has found probable cause to hold you on one count of obstructing a criminal investigation, Class 3 felony, assisting a criminal street gang, Class 3 felony,
Criminal
2 counts of
street gang.
aggravated assault, Class 3 felony, 1 count of possession of narcotic drugs, Class 4 felony, 1 count of possession of a weapon by a prohibited person, Class 4 felony, disorderly conduct, a Class 6 felony. These were alleged to have occurred between October 9th, 2024 and December 7th of 2024. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's November 26th in the downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by the grand jury. It's a $1 million bond. If you're able to bond out,
Did he say
you'll
$1
be
million?
placed on pretrial services supervision with an electronic ankle monitor. Furthermore, if you bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, no contact with any co-defendant, and you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Yes, sir. You have a question?
These are the same charges that I already had.
So here's what's likely going to happen, and this is not a guarantee. What's probably going to happen is they're going to dismiss the other case you have going on, and they'll just replace it with this new grand jury case. That's typically what happens. So it's unlikely that you're going to have a $2 million bond.
$2 million?
Replace your old $1 million bond with a new $1 million bond. Do you kind of get what I'm saying?
I don't, because they're the same exact charges.
Yeah. So what they did is they went to the grand jury instead to make sure that probable cause
This can't be real.
was rock solid.
Sufficient. Okay.
Yeah, that's what they probably did, but I have no idea because the grand jury is a secret proceeding,
Right.
and I don't know the prosecutor at all. So that's likely what they're going to do, sir.
Okay. So I got 1 through 6.
Oh, wait, what do you mean?
Like counts, charges, like.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, you got 2 counts of aggravated assault, so it's 7 charges.
Okay. Same thing. Okay.
Sir, want to please step to your left for your paperwork? Thank you.
Finish him.
So for those of you that are not
Rafael
familiar,
Gallegos Ruiz to the podium.
in Arizona they got a
Jesus
grocery store
Estorga,
called Fry's. It's
Vieira,
different from the
Cherokee.
electronic store. I tripped out one time when I went to Arizona. I did see
Hi,
them
is the
out there.
interpreter on the line?
Hola.
Man, what's up with
Hi,
T-Wolf
I'll
right
be
here?
speaking to the defendant now. Would you please slowly and clearly state your full name and date of birth?
Podría decir en voz alta y clara su nombre completo legal.
Rafael Gallegos Ruiz.
That fool did look scared walking up there. Rafael.
Would you please interpret?
That fool didn't say nothing. That fool hung up.
Rafael Gallegos Ruiz.
Translate his
Date
name.
of birth, please.
Fecha de nacimiento, por favor.
1 de junio de 1996.
June 1st,
June 1st,
86.
1996.
Oh, 96.
Thank you. You are here on a new case in a municipal court.
Está aquí en un caso nuevo en la Corte Municipal.
You've been arrested for 4 counts of shoplifting.
Another
Class
one?
1 misdemeanor.
Usted está aquí ya que se le han imputado cargos de robo, que es un delito menos grave de clase 1.
I have found probable cause and I'm assigning you an attorney.
He encontrado causa probable y le estoy asignando a un abogado.
Hey, groceries are expensive right
Your
now.
next court date is November 26th at the Goodyear City Court.
Su próximo caso en la corte o fecha de caso en la corte es noviembre 26 en la corte de Goodyear.
Oh, it's the same family?
You have a $100 bond.
$100?
Usted tiene una fianza de $100.
If you're able to pay that bond and already, you are not to return to the scene of the crime and no contact with any victim or witness.
Si usted paga la fianza, no tiene prohibido completamente visitar el área del crimen y hablar o contactar a alguno de los testigos.
You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
No puede poseer ningún tipo de armas, drogas o alcohol.
Please go to your left for your paperwork.
Por favor, vaya hacia la izquierda para que recoja sus documentos.
I will say that there's a huge difference between
Jesus Estorga
shoplifting.
Vieira.
There's a huge difference between shoplifting and gang activity. That's why the other guy has some other stuff going on. Who knows what he was doing, but he's probably looking at life with that type of bill.
Would you please slowly and clearly state your full name and date of birth?
Is this live?
En español.
Por favor, por favor, diga su nombre en voz alta y clara y su fecha de nacimiento.
Jesús Astorga Viera, el 25 de junio del 2002, mi fecha.
This was from 2002.
Jesús Astorga Viera, June 25th. Let me confirm the year. ¿En qué año fue? ¿2000 qué?
And
2002.
Yeah, you're right.
2002.
This guy was probably
Thank
his crime
you.
partner.
You're here on a new case in the Superior Court.
Usted está aquí bajo un caso nuevo en la Corte Superior.
You've been arrested for possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony, and possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony.
Usted está aquí por cargos nuevos. El primero de los cargos es posesión de drogas fuertes o letales, que es un caso clase 4, y la posesión de artículos para uso de drogas, un delito clase 6.
I have found probable cause, and I'm assigning you an attorney.
He encontrado
Arizona.
causa probable y le estaré asignando un abogado.
Your next court dates are December 4 and December 8 in the Downtown Superior Court.
Usted se le ha asignado 2 fechas para la cita de corte. El primero es diciembre 4 y el próximo es diciembre 8 en la corte en el centro del pueblo.
If you promise to appear, I will release you
Hey, what up,
today,
Paco
but
Taco?
there are some conditions to your release.
Si usted promete asistir a la cárcel, a la cita en el tribunal, le dejaré ir hoy en libertad, pero hay algunas condiciones que tiene que cumplir.
Hey, thank you, Molly.
You
Molly.
cannot possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
No puede tener ningún tipo de armas, drogas o alcohol.
Do you understand all of these conditions?
Nope.
¿Entiende las condiciones que le he impuesto?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you promise to follow all of these conditions?
¿Promete seguir estas condiciones que le he impuesto?
Hell nah.
Sí, les prometo.
Yeah, I promise.
Do you have any weapons you need to give up?
¿Usted tiene algún arma en su posesión que tenga que entregarnos para cumplir con esta condición?
I wouldn't be surprised,
No,
Dark
no
Raven.
tengo.
No, I don't have.
Do you promise to appear on December 4 and December 8 in the Downtown Superior Court?
Absolutely not. I'm not gonna go.
¿Usted promete asistir a su fecha de corte en diciembre 4 y diciembre 8 en la Corte Superior del Centro de Pueblo?
Sí,
Yes.
sí, prometo.
Yes, I promise.
Do you understand if you don't show up, they will issue a warrant for your arrest?
¿Usted entiende que si usted no cumple con asistir a las fechas de corte, se va a emitir una orden para su arresto?
Sí, sí entiendo.
Yes. Yes, I understand.
Upon your promise to appear, I will release you today. Please go to your left for your paperwork.
Muy bien. Al usted comprometerse con
Who sounds
cumplir
like
con estas
AI?
condiciones, le voy a estar
The
poniendo en
Timo
libertad.
translator?
Por favor, vaya a la izquierda para que recoja sus documentos.
Thank you for your help, Mr. Interpreter.
All right. Thank you for calling Lion Bridge. Interpreter 4001 disconnected.
Latin
Goodbye.
Bridge?
Thank you. For the last 4 individuals, I'll visit them back at their cell. They pose a risk of harm to themselves or to others. Eric Young, date of birth 4/21/1970, here in a municipal court new case. Arrested for assault, class 1 misdemeanor, disorderly conduct, class 1 misdemeanor. I found probable cause. I'm assigning counsel. Next court date's November 26th at the Goodyear City Court, setting a security appearance bond of $1,000. If he's able to bond out, he's not to return to the scene of the crime.
30 minutes?
No
Yeah,
contact with
it
any
was
victim or
short.
witness, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Must obey any orders of protection, cannot live with the alleged victim. Joshua Murskill, date of birth 1/13/1990, here on 3 probation violation warrants. I'm assigning counsel. Next court date's November 25th in the Downtown Superior Court, setting security appearance bonds of $250, $1,000, and $1,000. If he's able to bond out, excuse me.
Yeah, that guy always had a bad cough. There's no
Not to
bueno.
possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Must contact his probation officer within 3 days.
Normally at 2, this 2 a.m. one is normally not that
Samuel
long.
Haynes, date of birth 7/2/1979, here on a fugitive of justice warrant, affirming their fugitive from justice hearing on December 1st, downtown Superior Court, 1:30 p.m., setting a secured appearance bond of $25,000.
25.
After visiting with these individuals back at itself, if they found to make any changes to these release conditions, they'll come back on the record to make those changes. This concludes the 2 a.m. calendar.
Hey, fun fact! I want to share something with you guys, and I'm not sure how many of you guys know this, or how many of you guys don't. But the Spanish language, didn't come from North America, Central America, or South America. We speak Spanish because of the Europeans. Spanish comes from Spain, which is in Europe. I'm not sure how many people know that, how many people don't. I might have just blown your mind, but yeah. Trip out on that, right? Fun facts. Fun fact of the day right there. I speak Spanish, which is a European language. What? It originated in Spain, yup. And another thing too, for those of you guys that been places, and especially to Europe, I find it interesting that in those countries, people speak 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 languages. That's a trip. I admire that they're able to speak so many languages. I wish I could speak more than 2 languages. I think that's pretty cool. I remember the first time that I went to Spain, I was talking to this lady on the subway, on the metro, and man, she was telling me she could speak all kinds of like Portuguese, Spanish, French, Italian. I was like, Gato, like, damn, talk about Rosetta Stone on steroids. Have you heard where English comes from? No, man, let me see. Why is it that Italian sounds Spanish? Let me see. Uruguay is the origin of Spanish. Let me see. We don't speak English because of the Native Americans either. Also because Europe. That is true. That is so true. Hey, I want to go ahead and ask you guys for a favor. If you guys are on my on one of my accounts, if you guys could go ahead and check out the last video that I posted up today, or earlier on today, I had a conversation with some young ladies that were located in an ICE detention center, and they're sharing their experiences with me. If you guys could go ahead and drop a comment, or heart it, or what is it? Repost it. I would highly appreciate it. I want that video, if possible, to hit as many eyes as possible, and you guys could definitely help me out with that. Let me see. What time would you be on tomorrow? Yeah, I'm about to get off. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm not sure if you guys could tell, but I've been yawning. I woke up really early this morning. I've been working for the last 6 days, and my sleep has been messed up. I'm not sure how many of you guys jump on my streams on YT, but I think for like the last 3-4 days, I haven't been able to get up to, because I got to reset, because I run these streams all day long, 24/7. And the Maricopa stream, I have to reset it every time at 6:45 in the morning. And sometimes I'll get home and I've only got maybe like an hour or 2 of sleep, and I won't hear my alarm. So that's why I haven't been able to reset it. For those of you that do watch the streams on, when I'm not on YT. Hey, thank you, Paco Taco. Highly appreciate you, Pretty Ricky. Will do. Kay Larson, thank you. Let me see. What time would you be on tomorrow? Tomorrow I'll probably be on in the morning. So normally, let me see, not Maricopa, but Polk County normally starts up at about 10 a.m. So I should be on maybe at about 10 a.m. in the morning, which would be Pacific Standard Time, Los Angeles time, if you will. Hey, buenas noches, Dark Raven, Shore Beauty. Hey, thank you, highly appreciate you guys. Hey, I want to go ahead and tell you guys that I do appreciate every single one of you guys, especially the ones that jump on day after day whenever you guys do see me live. And I appreciate the engagement. You guys dropping comments and sending those daily hearts. Highly appreciate that. Let me see. Can't understand the video. You should do English captions so we can understand. That's a good idea. Maybe I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Buenas noches. You're appreciated too. Good night, Molly. Hell yeah. Anyways, hey, Chris, thank you. Highly appreciate you guys. Anyway, for those of you that don't know my name, I'm James, or Kaleka James. and I run this thing around here, if you will. Anyhow, with that being said, I am Collect Call James. You guys are watching. You have a collect call from, and like I said around here, lights like a candle. Once you blow it out, it's lights out. And with that, I'm out. Ha rato. And don't forget, hey, when you guys drop one, flush one, if you will. Agua.
I'm in love with the coco.
Hey, for you guys on YouTube, I highly appreciate you guys. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow also. Have a good one.